early riser because we're gonna go diving.
The sardines.
Yeah, the sardines, not the real fish. Alright. Okay. See you later after the food. Okay, we're on our way to the diving place. Only the three of us because Nick is a little sick. Okay, dito na kami ngayon. Pabayad muna kami ng environmental fees. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, mag-rent tayo ng GoPro. Yes. Okay, we're choosing some fins. Life vest. Fins. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're going to our place. Sabi ni Kuya, dito daw tayo. Okay, so mag-start na kami. Bibihis na si Anna at Mishka. And, what's that? Your bag?
Look at my bag.
Okay, so ito saya, nandun na, nagsisimula na yung iba. Maaga kami ngayon para hindi kami sa pila ngayon. Look. Yung mga black na yun, that's the sardines. Okay, hindi rin ganun kainit ngayon. Yeah. Okay, let's go. diving kami with the sardines. Grabe, sobrang ganda yung ilalim at first time ko makapag free diving with my wife and Mishka. And ito pala yung aming videographer, si Sir Rex. Galing. So, ano yung mga kuha niya dito is like parang matitindi talaga. So, yeah, it's so nice. So, continue kami magda-dive. Alright, see you later. Next time na pumunta kami dito, kasama na namin yung dalawang anak namin, isang 7 years old at isang 15 years old, na hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Tara, last shot na kuha na natin ang sardines. Go kids! Mish! Let's go! Alright guys, see you in our next vlog! Okay, this boy asked me to swim. Where is it? We're going to swim? Oh! Okay, let's go. Okay. Whoa! Nathan! Okay, let's go. Let's go swim. There we go. What do you want?
Swim the daddy.
Swim?
Swim the daddy.
Okay. Go.
Yeah, I think I know what's missing.
Okay, we're having lunch before we checked out. Oh, inasal. I was eating using our hand. Alright everyone, we're done with our vacation. Did everyone had fun?
Yes.
Except I had a high fever.
Oh, Nikki got a high fever. But anyway, yes, thank you Blue Water Panglao for this beautiful accommodation. And we're gonna see you soon.
No, see you next year.
See you next year. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Showing like how nice the Bohol Airport is. Siguro nga gawan may international airport kaya mas maganda siya compare sa other summer destination. Laki oh. Meron pa second floor. All done.
Don't put your seatbelt. Belt.
See the ball.
Where's the seatbelt? Show me the seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
There. Where's the cap? Where's the cap? Cap, not cat. Cap.